That leak you keep fixing it. It's not bad luck. It's your pipes. If you've been dealing with low water pressure, discolored water, or leaks that just keep coming back, your pipes might be trying to tell you something. A lot of homes across the Lower Mainland were built with poly B pipe, a gray plastic plumbing material that was standard from the late 70s right through to the mid 90s. The problem is it doesn't hold up well over time. It reacts to the chlorine in our municipal water supply, becomes brittle, and eventually starts to fail, usually inside your walls where you can't see it until the damage is already done. That's where repiping comes in. A full home repipe replaces your entire water supply system with new copper or PEX pipe, materials built to last 50 years or more. We handle everything, the permits, the installation, and we patch your walls back up when we're done. Most jobs take 2 to 5 days. You won't be without water for the whole time, just a few hours during the final switchover. At KC's Plumbing, we've been repiping homes across the Lower Mainland since 1993. Every job comes with a free estimate and a workmanship warranty. If you're not sure what you have in your walls, give us a call at 604-873-3753 or visit www.kcplum.ca.